Hey everyone, I'm here again to share with you some details about our Spandex chair and table cover options. The 220 GSM is our best commercial quality professional grade chair cover made of 80% polyester, 20% spandex blend. It is the thickest, stretchiest, most durable Lycra on the market. The thickness and stretch of these Lycra chair covers is what allows it to fit so many different chair styles. Of our spandex materials, this 220 GSM fabric, it has extremely high quality stitching and is made for repeated commercial use in the hotel, rental, and event industry. They are great for baby showers, banquet events, weddings, corporate, quinceañeras, and all types of parties. You can check our website where we've created a graphic diagram showing the differences in our chair cover styles. These heavy-duty covers feature stain-resistant and wrinkle-resistant properties that make them the perfect choice for indoor and outdoor events.